Attention car enthusiasts. Up for grabs is a 1973 Plymouth Satellite Custom, a classic with loads of potential. Round pushpin located in Franklin, Nebraska. This beauty is priced to sell at just $1,500. Wrench, here's what you need to know. Condition: used but in good shape for its age. Powered by a 318 motor with an automatic transmission. The motor is free by hand, but missing the distributor. Needs a new fuel tank, as the current one is punctured. The interior is clean with no odors and absolutely no evidence of mice. Hammer and wrench bonus: the original steering wheel, air cleaner, front grille, and headlight assembly are all included and safely stored in the trunk. Automobile rust? No worries. 99% is surface level, with minor rot near the rear wheels. This car has been sitting for about 9 years, but comes with a clean title in my name. Delivery might be an option within reason. Speech balloon, got a trade? Let's talk. Contact me today at 402-416-1497. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of American muscle car history.